If you want to make money online but don't know where to start, here are 3 AI side hustles you can launch in under 10 minutes. Seriously. These are beginner-friendly, fast to start, and people are already earning with them. And the more you do them, the faster you get at it. Let's jump right in. First is AI ad clip creation, and it's one of the easiest services to sell right now. Using tools like Opus Clip or CapCut's AutoCut, you can turn long videos into short, punchy ads automatically. Businesses need TikTok and Instagram ads daily, but most don't know how to edit them. You can charge $20 to $70 per batch, and the AI does all the heavy lifting. All you do is upload the footage, pick the style, and deliver a finished product minutes later. Second is AI digital product creation, and this one is perfect if you want something passive. Using Canva and Ideogram, you can generate planners, templates, stickers, coloring pages, wallpapers, anything digital. Upload them to Etsy, Shopify, or Gumroad, and they can sell over and over again without extra work. People are making hundreds per month selling simple digital designs created in minutes with AI. And third is AI voiceover and audio cleanup, which is in huge demand for podcasts and YouTube channels. Use ElevenLabs to create clean voiceovers and Whisper AI to transcribe or polish rough audio. You can offer voiceovers, podcast cleanup, captions, and script formatting on Fiverr or Upwork. It's super fast, requires zero equipment, and clients will pay for clean audio every time. These 3 side hustles take less than 10 minutes to get started, and AI handles most of the work. Comment side hustle if you want a part 2. Make sure you subscribe. There is ton more coming on how to use AI to make you money today.